and the United Alliance, today we'd like to welcome His Holiness Mirza مسرور Ahmad, the worldwide head of حیات, احمدیہ Muslim community. His Holiness resides in London, UK, and is presently visiting United States and Guatemala, meeting with the members of Senate, Congress, and community leaders, along with the community members across the states. He is the World Ambassador of Peace, standing up for religious tolerance and human rights. His Holiness is visiting Guatemala to inaugurate the beautiful hospital as a gift for the people of Guatemala, and will be meeting with many government officials. We welcome him aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, regulation.